a word a day for you. Today's word is redolent. Redolent. Adjective. One strongly reminiscent or suggestive of something. Literary strongly smelling of something. Too archaic or literary fragrant or sweet smelling. Origin late Middle English, in a sense fragrant. From Old French, or from Latin redolent, giving out a strong smell. From re, de, back, again, plus olir, to smell. All the names redolent of history and tradition. Can you use today's word in a sentence? Leave us a comment below. It may be featured in a future video. Connect with us. Join us on Facebook. Tweet with us. Check out our blog. And thanks for watching.